Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jeba's. Chilies are pleasurable to eat because of their savory and spicy nature. When you add the right amount, that is, it won't blow your head off. The beauty about this dish is that you can enjoy the delicious flavor of the chilies by making peri peri chicken at home, while the level of spice is completely up to you. To prepare the peri peri sauce, I am taking 10 cloves of garlic, 1-inch long ginger cut into small pieces, 20 fresh chilies, a small onion which is finely chopped, a red capsicum, two teaspoons of dried coriander leaves or a handful of fresh coriander leaves, 2 teaspoons of crushed pepper, 2 teaspoons of mixed herbs, 2 teaspoons of paprika powder, 2 bay leaves, salt as per your preference, half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, juice of 2 lime, and 1.5 teaspoons of sugar in a blender jar. If you want the dish to be spicy, you can add 2 teaspoons of red chili flakes at this stage. Cover with a lid and blend to a smooth paste. Our peri peri marinade sauce is ready. Now, in a large mixing bowl, take 1 kilo of chicken thighs that are slit roughly to soak into the marinade and absorb its flavor. You can use chicken legs or even chicken breast for this recipe. Adjust the salt, the spice and the sourness as per your taste before adding the marinade. Add half of the prepared marinade to the chicken and coat the chicken with sauce using your clean fingers. For the written recipe, please visit my blog at www.deliciouslyjebas.com and I'll leave the link in the description box for you. You know, the beauty of the dish is you can prepare this dish effortlessly. Meanwhile, heat a piece of coal and have it in a bowl. Place the bowl with the hot coal in the middle of the chicken marinade. Pour a teaspoon of oil on the hot coal. When the smoke rises, immediately seal the bowl by covering it with a plate. Infuse the smoke for an hour. Then remove the charcoal bowl and let the chicken marinate for a minimum of 4 hours or even overnight. Once the chicken is marinated, heat a grill pan or a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Place the marinated chicken on the pan and roast it or grill it on a high flame for a minute on one side. Smear the chicken with more peri peri sauce as it cooks. You know, the origin of this chillilicious recipe takes us to Portugal and the heart of South Africa. It remains a celebration of the cultural legacy and cultural fusions of the region. And African bird eye chili is commonly used in this dish. Flip the chicken and cook for another 1 minute on high flame. South Africans call it peri peri, meaning a very hot sauce made with red chili peppers. Also, if you don't have fresh red chilies, then you can soak 20 dry Kashmiri red chilies in hot water for 10 minutes and blend them along with other ingredients. If your pan gets dry, add a teaspoon of oil again. After a minute on high flame on each sides, Now have the flame on low and cook for another 5 minutes on one side. Also smear with more peri peri sauce after flipping so that you end up getting delicious peri peri chicken. While cooking on low, please cover the chicken and cook, otherwise the chicken will take longer to cook. To show the cooking process in the video, I have not covered my chicken. So please cover and cook the chicken so that the chicken gets cooked evenly. After 5 minutes on one side, flip the chicken and cook on a low flame for another 5 minutes. You know what? I love cooking in grill pan for these grill marks. Again smear with more peri peri sauce. Do it 3 or 4 times and not more than that. Repeat the process until the chicken is fully cooked. It will approximately take 30 to 40 minutes to cook on a low flame. You must be wondering what to do with the leftover peri peri sauce. Do not worry. You can make peri peri paneer or tofu, or even peri peri vegetables like potatoes, mushrooms or cauliflower. Or you can simmer the leftover sauce on a saucepan until the oil separates and use it as a side for momos or aloo tikki or fried rice, etc. Transfer the cooked chicken onto a plate and serve it hot with honey mustard sauce or a simple mayo sauce. It will be a great treat for your palate and it can be served as a main dish or even as a starter. I'm sure it's gonna be your next party dish. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Also follow me on Facebook and Insta, and I'll leave the link below in the description box. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified of my new uploads. I'll meet you with another delicious recipe next week, and until then it's Jeba signing off. Bye bye.